Alright guys, so I'm here at La Villa Apartments. Let's go check these places out and see what they offer and if they have any fees. This does look like an older construction, and it looks like there's only 2 levels, no elevators, but it is a gated community, so let's go check them out. Okay guys, so this is the community lounge and coffee station, and here I am just showing the outside of the complex. We're heading off to the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It is carpeted, you guys, except for the dining area and kitchen. We're heading off to the 2nd bedroom. It does have a closet. It is on the left side. It's pretty massive for a 2nd bedroom, you guys. But now we're just heading to the guest bathroom. You do have a bathtub, which I thought was pretty decent. And then now we're heading off to the laundry room. Now, I was pretty surprised with the appliances. They look really new and it is massive, so you do have some extra storage. Now we're just heading off to the main room with ensuite. This was pretty big, you guys, so you can definitely fit in a massive bed, like a king-size bed with no problem. This is the closet as well. It is pretty decent size. Again, you can store a little bit of miscellaneous things if you wanted to, and they do have mirrors as well, which I thought was helpful. You don't have to buy a separate mirror. And this is the ensuite. It has a massive, I think she said it was a Roman tub, but yeah, I forgot. I don't know if she said garden or Roman, but again, pretty decent bathroom. It looks like it has been a little bit updated, so yeah. Now we're just heading off to the kitchen. I couldn't show you the dishwasher because I completely forgot, but it is there. But this is the kitchen and the front, and then the balcony. This is the gym, you guys, and I will show you the pool. Unfortunately, I couldn't go closer just because there was people there. Okay guys, so this one is going to be more on the affordable side. So obviously you're not going to have like new construction. You're not going to have like, you know, updated kitchen and everything. You're gonna have a carpeted apartment, so just wanting to let you know. Okay, so the 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, 889 square feet is going for $1,515, and that is a downstairs, and that one is for a 13-month lease. Or you can do $1,545 for a downstairs for a 7-month lease. Add $40 per month for water, sanitation, and sewer. Security deposit is $300 on approved credit. So that was for the downstairs 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. This is the upstairs 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So the upstairs for a 13th-month lease is going for $1,525, and then for upstairs one for 7th-month lease, it's $1,555. Again, add $40 per month for water, sanitation, and sewer. Again, security deposit is $300 on approved credit. So for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom B, 1088 square feet, you have downstairs, it's starting at $1,620, and that is for a 13th-month lease. And then you have a $1,650 downstairs, and that is going for a 7-month lease. Add $45 per month for water, sanitation, and sewer. Security deposit is $300 on approved credit. Now, then the upstairs 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom for a 13th-month lease, it's going to be $1,630. For a 7-month lease, it's going to be $1,660. And then again, you guys, the application fee is going to be $50. And right now, their special is going to be administration fee is $250, cleaning fee is $200. That's going to be waived. So that is their special right now. They also have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and that is 1,387 square feet. That is massive. Right now, the downstairs 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom is going for $1,749 for a 13th-month lease, or $1,779 for a 7-month lease, and then add $50 per month for water, sanitation, and sewer. Security deposit is $300 on approved credit. So then for the upstairs 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment for a 13th-month lease, it's going to be $1,749. For a 7th-month lease, it's going to be $1,779. So that is going to be the amount for these apartments, you guys. It's so crazy to me that a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom is literally under $1,800. I have not seen that in a hot minute. and it is hot. It's 107 degrees today, so I have not seen that, you guys, so it's pretty cool. And then you just have to make 3 times base rent. Again, you guys, this is literally their page. There is nothing else except just your application fee, and again, the special for the administration fee $250, cleaning fee $200 is waived, so you don't have to pay that. Again, you guys, this is not a new construction apartment building. It is privately owned, you guys. There is no corporation or anything, so that's why they don't have any like resort fees. They don't have amenity fees. It's literally all in this page. I really do appreciate these apartments for having an easy application. So again, it is old construction. There's only 2 levels, no elevators. It is a gated community, and you do have a pool and a gym. So I thought that was pretty cool. So now let's see how far everything is out from these apartments. Okay, Walmart right now is going to be 8 minutes away. Target is going to be 6 minutes away. Costco is going to be 11 minutes away. Okay, Sam's Club is going to be 9 minutes away or 13 minutes away. So your best bet is going to be this one right here, which is 9 minutes away. Albertson is going to be 4 minutes away. Smith's is going to be 6 minutes away or 7 minutes away. So there is a 1 minute difference. It's up to you which one you want to choose. Trader Joe and then downtown Summerlin is going to be 8 minutes away. Sprouts is going to be 6 minutes away. Petco is going to be 5 minutes away. Winco is going to be 15 minutes away. Whole Foods is going to be 8 minutes away. PetSmart is going to be 7 minutes away. IKEA is going to be 13 minutes away. The Strip is going to be 23 minutes away. Fremont is going to be 23 minutes away. The airport is going to be 22 minutes away. Okay guys, so you do have some urgent cares and then some animal hospitals as well, close to these apartments. You also do have some casinos close by, but you do have the Red Rock Casino, which is 9 minutes away, and Durango is going to be 14 minutes away. Also, you guys, I did want to show you where these apartments are at. It is called La Villa Estates, and it is in the Spring Valley area. If you go out a little bit, it is close to like the Summerlin South area. But let's say we go further out. This is where they are at, you guys, in the Las Vegas map. So I just wanted to show you that. Okay guys, so that was La Villa Estates apartments here in Las Vegas. If you do want to contact them, definitely contact Laura. She's the one that showed me around and stuff. Super friendly, super kind. So definitely let her know that I sent you. She does speak Spanish. One thing she did say, you guys, that there is not a lot of turnover, and there are some residents, you guys, that have lived here for 20 years. When she told me that, I was just like, now that's commitment. Now to me, that's pretty cool. Why? Because it seems like the neighborhood itself is pretty calm. Not a lot of people are leaving, so to me, I thought that was pretty cool. Again, you guys, if I left anything out, just leave it down below. That being said, don't forget to like this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on post notification bell. That way, as soon as I upload anything on my channel, YouTube will let you know. Okay, guys, so I am melting. It is 107 outside, so I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.